This is DJI Spark, and today I'll show how you can check the aircraft status information on this drone. So at the start, open the device view or the flight interface of your DJI Spark through the DJI Go 4 app or Go Fly app. Now, what I want you to do is press here, and as you can see, the aircraft status check or the aircraft status interface launches. That allows you to, check the overall status, the flight mode, and the status of compass, IMU, and ESC, as well as vision sensors. Check and manage the RC mode, the level of remote controller's battery, the button customization, measure the current aircraft battery temperature, the gimbal status, and remaining SD card capacity if you have a memory card inserted into your aircraft. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.